Hi guys, just a quick unboxing of some Crown free coils, which are 0.5 ohms, and they're rated between 70 to 80 watts. Obviously that is just an estimate. I actually find I couldn't smoke them at that. It's just too much. But anyway, let's open that up, cut it along there, and we've got a authentication code to see if it's genuine or not. Genuine. There you go. So let's slide these out. So standard packaging. I actually prefer it that it doesn't have the foil. In case you need to carry one around in your pocket or something, which I don't even know what I'm talking about, do I, guys? I like it because it's plastic rather than foil, like the ones you get with Kanga. So let's open one of these up and have a look. I should go to be careful here because they've got the O-rings that I don't want to slice into the O-rings. Okay, so I think, going back to what I said, guys, I actually do prefer the foil. It's a lot easier to open. But anyway, so it's just a standard cores. You know, they're very good quality, these cores, and I imagine they are quite hard to fake, because you can just tell that the build quality is phenomenal on them. But yeah, there's not much more to say, guys. It's, you know, spare coils for the Crown free. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments. I'll put the links in the description, so if you want to purchase some from GearBest.com, then by all means do. Otherwise, whatever. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.